show your face. It's been hard for me to sleep. When you talk it leaves a taste of someone who never even cared at all. It's like it never happened, nothing memorable. I'll see you on the other side, and worst of all, I've been better off without you. Okay, life has been hell and it's funny cause you seem unfazed. I've been writing down all the lies you said right to my face. Put me on the back burner, I'll be fine. I knew from the start I was wasting my time, but you're the one that left, so it's on you. Bury all those years that clearly mean nothing to you.
A few hours of cleaning later. This thing is in very solid shape still.
Bust me through. You've been closed off, guess I'm just like you. You don't wanna talk, so I guess we're through. It's on you. It's on you. It's on you. It's on you. Bury all those years that clearly mean nothing to you. I can't stand the feeling that I'm getting when